back to Drawing Dexterity. I have a super exciting and a unique tutorial for you. We are going to draw Kuromi iPhone 16. Imagine all the cute vibes of Kuromi mixed with the sleek design of the latest iPhone. So let's get started. Let's start with the shape of the iPhone. So we're going to start from right over here and come down in a straight line. And we're going to keep coming down. And we're going to curve from the bottom. And now let's curve up. So this is basically the base of our iPhone. And we're going to keep coming up. And we're going to keep going, never stop. Just kidding, we're going to stop. So we're going to also curve from this side and we're going to connect them both sides. And our base would be completed. Finally, our base is completed. Now let's make, iPhone buttons on the side. Like that. Okay, that's good. Now let's draw the camera, because iPhone 16 have a different type of camera. There's one camera like this, and I want to make it. It's so pretty, and it's so small. It's not like the iPhone 15, but I really like it. And that's how the camera is like. Cute. This is amazing. I really like it. And the best part, the Kuromi. This is the Kuromi iPhone, right? So instead of the Apple logo, we're gonna draw a skull, because Kuromi likes horror items. I'm gonna guess. Because why does she have that creepy little skull? Imagine. Yeah, like. And now let's draw the eyes for our skull. And now we're just gonna color in. This really does looks like iPhone now. Plus, it's cute. Now we gotta draw a little Kuromi coming from this side. It's gonna be so cute and so small and adorable. So let's make Kuromi's head. And we're gonna connect the both sides. Connect. Cute. Now let's make, I don't know what to call this, but it's something like this. It's for Kuromi. Now we gotta draw something cute. We're gonna draw Kuromi's eyes. So let's draw something like that and a circle right over here. And we're gonna continue from here. Connect. So adorable. And also from this side. A circle and repeat the same step. Okay, now let's draw Kuromi's eyes and face. I switched my marker. Okay, now let's draw her eyes first. Her mischievous, cute little look. Her eyelashes, which is the best part. not that best part, but I think my most favorite thing I like about this phone is the cute little Kuromi coming out from the side. It's so adorable. Like she's looking in her phone. She's looking at you like, why are you trying to steal my phone? She's like that. But actually, it's our phone now, Kuromi. You have no chance. Let's draw a circle. Circle right over here. For her nose and her nice little smile. And her mouth like that. Color like that. It's so adorable. The best part is Kuromi sneaking out of the side saying hello to you guys. And guys, if you want me to make cinnamoroll iPhone next, please hit the like button. If you want me to make my melody iPhone next, hit the subscribe button. And if you want me to make Hello Kitty iPhone, comment down below. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye.